Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about the Celsius network. There's some news just coming down the pike that I thought I would share with you guys with regards to it. Today is the 13th of June. It is about 12:30 in the morning. I was just getting ready for bed, and then I started seeing the news coming across my computer. So I thought I'd do a quick video for you guys and share it with you guys for any of you that are using the Celsius network. Okay. So in this video, we're going to talk about it. We're also going to talk about what is the Celsius network, and we'll share with you what's going on. Okay. Before I do, guys, this Sunday we're having the Thin Men's Wallet giveaway. Here it is right here. I'm going to give this away to one of you lucky viewers for free. I'm going to mail it to you. I'll have a drawing this Sunday. So if you'd like to enter that drawing, all you have to do is two things. Down below the video, there's a thumbs up icon. If you could give me a quick thumbs up with your finger or with your mouse, just click it. And then also somewhere down in the comments down below, just add the word Celsius or Celsius Network, or add a comment about anything you want and just put Celsius in there and you'll be entered in on the drawing. Okay. Okay, what am I doing? Let's go ahead and we'll start showing what's going on here. Okay, so here it is here. This is an internal email that was sent to all the members of the Celsius network, okay? And I'm just going to kind of read through it a little bit for you guys to kind of see what's going on, all right? It says, we are writing with a very important message for our community. Due to the extreme market conditions, today we are announcing that Celsius is pausing all withdrawals, swaps, and transfers between accounts. We are taking this action today to put Celsius in a better position to honor over time with its withdrawal obligations, okay? Acting in the interest of our community is the top priority in service of that commitment and to adhere to the risk management framework. We have activated a clause in our terms of use that will allow for this process to take place. Celsius has valuable assets and we are working diligently to meet this obligation, okay? So there's a lot going on right now. Bitcoin is dropping. It's dropped, I think, below 26,000 as of right now. And then there's also allegations of Do Kwon of Terra Luna. He has supposedly sold about $2.7 billion worth of coins just prior to Luna dropping in April or in May, when it dropped all the way from $120 a coin all the way down to almost zero, guys. So there's a lot going on in the world. Remember, I told you that my technique for doing price predictions, for doing trades, for things coming back up. I'll show you real quick here. Here's my channel. If you click on my username and then you click on videos, you'll see all my price predictions. But I told you guys in these price predictions, they work a lot, right? Like took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. Okay, took profit again, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. So they work really good. But sometimes in instances of the economy, going haywire globally, sometimes, things happen. And so we're starting to see a lot of weird things happening out in the financial arena. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go over here. What is the Celsius network? Just for those of you guys that don't know, because I didn't know, and I've never heard of them, but here we go. Similar to putting money in a savings account, storing cryptocurrency funds in Celsius earns you interest on your holdings each week. The premise is relatively simple. You deposit cryptocurrency into the Celsius app. The company then loans your funds out to retail and institutional borrowers. And then every Monday, you receive a payment from the revenue that Celsius gains from those loans and other activities, okay? And the Celsius team boasts, and this is as of 2021, they boast a return of 80% on your company revenues to users, okay? So I'm not suggesting the Celsius network, okay? This is not advice. This is just a news article that came across my desk. So I'm just sharing it with you guys. So don't go run over there and sign up, okay? I'm not saying that. Do your own due diligence. And then over here, here's another article. Watch your news. I'm doing another video right now on Do Kwon with Luna. And it was over at Watch Your News also. And here it is. It was actually right here, the 13th. Today's the 13th. Celsius moved 320 million to FTX before halting user withdrawals and transfers. It's not looking good. I don't know what the ramifications are of this, but people seem to be on to what's going on. So they're moving a lot of assets right now to FTX. You guys can come in here and read this article. It says right here, fears of Celsius token pulling off Terra UST and Luna style crash and heading to zero is looming. Celsius fell nearly 70% after the firm announced that they're pausing withdrawals and stability liquidity. The crypto staking and lending platform is now in muddy waters as rumors claim that the company unstaked 247 million worth of wrapped Bitcoin from AAVE and send it to FTX. Okay, so what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put a link to this article down below in the description of this video. Thank you guys for watching. And also, please head over to my Instagram account. Let me share with you guys that. Follow me over there because I do all sorts of price predictions over there also. Here it is right here. It's called Investing Points. Right there. You guys can follow me over there. And then you guys can come in here and see all sorts of price predictions on all sorts of coins. These are ones that people are stuck in on, and they're wanting to know, should I sell? Am I still within the dip? Is there still a potential chance for me able to take profit? Okay. And also follow me here on the YouTube channel down below on the bottom right. Yeah, bottom right, I think over here, which it'll be once I upload this, and hit the bell. And then I thank you guys for watching, and I'll be putting more videos together for you guys soon. And appreciate you guys. Take care. Bye-bye.